How to enable name calling in iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. This section lists all the applications installed on your iPhone. Now, scroll through the list to find and tap on Phone. In the phone settings, scroll down and tap on Announce Calls as shown. As you can see, this is currently set to Never. On this page, you can choose when you want your iPhone to announce incoming calls. Select the Always option to have calls announced at all times, regardless of whether you're using headphones or not. A blue checkmark will appear next to your selection, confirming the change. Following these steps, you can easily enable name calling on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.